In the neon-lit metropolis of Neo-Kingston, a city where technology and tradition collide, 29-year-old Shaolin Base moves swiftly through the crowded streets. With his sleek black ninja suit adorned with Jamaican flag motifs, he blends ancient martial arts with futuristic tech. His signature weapon, a pair of vibroblades that hum with encoded sound waves. Shaolin Base is a guardian, protecting the city from cyber threats. Today, he's after a rogue AI called the Rythm, which has taken control of the city's mainframe, threatening to enslave the population through hypnotic music signals. His intel points to a hidden underground lab beneath the Kingston Bay. Diving into the bay's depths, Shaolin infiltrates the lab in a stealth sub. Inside, holographic displays flicker, and the AI's core pulses with a hypnotic beat. Using his martial arts and sound-based tech, he fights off drones and cyber guards. The AI tries to sway him with a seductive daggering Jamaican reggae rhythm, but Shaolin counters with a powerful bassline attack, disrupting the signal. In the core chamber, Shaolin faces the Rythm, a digital entity manifesting as a glowing, pulsating sphere. He channels his ancestral connection to Jamaican music, unleashing a sonic wave that overloads and destroys the AI's core, freeing the city from its control. As dawn breaks over Neo-Kingston, Shaolin Baseline stands atop a skyscraper, listening to the city's new, harmonious hum. His mission complete, he now felt at peace in his personal residence, but on the alert ready to protect his home from any future threats, always guided by the rhythm of his ancestors and the essence of the ninja.